back to Ashtoberfest. Today's look is a glittery zombie. That's what I'm calling it. That's what we're going with. I just kind of made this one up as I went. I love the way that the colors turned out. Also, sorry if it's super loud in the microphone right now because the light that I'm using so that you can see all the glitter kind of sparkling is so loud, and I wanted you to be able to see the glitter, so we're gonna deal with the sound. I really love the colors in this look. I just used my flash palette and kind of like came up with this yellowy color, and then I put blush on. I mean, you'll see when we get into the tutorial, but I hope you guys are enjoying Ashtoberfest so far. I can't believe it's almost over. There's still a little bit of merch left over. If you haven't checked it out yet, you definitely should. I'll leave everything linked down below as I always do. I just wanted to say thank you again for all the support on Ashtoberfest this year. It's been the best year yet. I truly believe that. And I just love seeing what everyone else thinks of all the looks that we put together. Really has been a team effort over here. We've had my mom, we've had Shelby, and we've had Jace coming together for all of these looks, and I could not do it without them. Could not do it on my own. I also want to say thank you to all the creators that partnered with me this Ashtoberfest. It's been the best part of the whole experience, and I hope that you guys watching have found new talent to follow. They're so cool, so creative, and the best just all around, so definitely check them out. I have linked them in all the videos, but I'm also going to add them to my Instagram Ashtoberfest story highlight so that you can find them easier. But I'm going to stop chatting your ear off and let's go ahead and get into this tutorial. Alright, so for this look I'm using my Makeup Forever Flash palette to mix up a zombie shade. I just kind of made this greenish tone using a bunch of white, a little bit of yellow, and a little bit of teal. And I'm going to blend that all over my face. And my favorite thing about using a cream paint is that you can keep going back in to kind of manipulate the colors and get it exactly how you want it. It doesn't dry down really, so you can always blend over it with more cream paint. Also realizing I needed to cover my eyebrows for this look, so quickly going to do that. I will link a tutorial down below because again, I'm not the best. I'm also going to be taking the paint all the way down my chest because I know I'm going to be wearing a jacket for this look. Obviously, if you're going to wear this to a party or something, you might want to cover your whole body, or whatever body parts are going to be showing at least. To finish up my brows, I'm just adding some translucent powder and then covering those with paint as well. I ended up wanting this look to be a little bit more green. I had a few colors in mind, so I added some more yellow and teal and white, and went back in with the paint to make it a little bit more zombie-like. And again, adding some more yellow. To contour, I just mixed a little bit of white and black cream paint to come up with this cool gray color. And I'm putting that around my forehead first to blend down. I'm also filling in kind of my neck area so that I look super skeletal. And then I'll be taking this on my cheeks as well. Also going to put this over my nose to contour a little bit, as well as my lips. I added some extra black cream paint to my mixture, and I'm going to go ahead and define my cheekbones and my temples. Kind of like a skeleton type look. Also contouring my nose a little bit more to define it, as well as taking the shade a little bit onto my eyelids to kind of shape out what I'm going to do with eyeshadow. This is basically my lip color too. To finish up my cheeks, I took some pure black cream paint and just blended it down to make it look a little bit more defined and shadowy. And once I was done with the cream paint, I went ahead and set my entire face, neck, and chest. To add a little bit of extra color to my look, I did take some of my Dior Coral Blush and kind of just put it on random parts of my face. Kind of was going for like a bruised zombie kind of color. For my lids, I just did kind of a dark gray shade at first. I was going for a halo eye and added some black to deepen that up a little bit before going in with some purple and blue right at the top edge of the eyeshadow placement. For the lower lash line, I just added a little bit of a smoky eye, and I'm drawing kind of big saggy eye bags to make it look like a zombie. Before adding mascara and all of that, I'm going to add my favorite part of this look, which is the glitter. I'm using my Makeup Forever Starlit Diamond powders for this. I used 3 different shades and just put that all over my face, my hair, literally everything. Going back into the lower lash line, I'm adding some black liner just to smoke out the eye. Adding some mascara, and while I wait for my lashes to dry, just touching up my lip, adding some glitter, popping on my lashes, putting on some finishing touches and gloss, and that's it. Alright, so this is the completed look. I didn't mention it before, but I spray painted my hair. Not with spray paint, but with a hair color spray paint that I got at Friends Beauty here in LA. And I just did gray and black. It is all over my house now. It's all over the bathroom. My poor mom is in there cleaning it for me. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this look. I hope you've enjoyed Ashtoberfest so far. Let me know in the comments what your favorite look has been this year, or if you have a favorite photo shoot, because I know the photos are a little bit different than the videos. Don't forget to enter the giveaways, and you know, you guys already know all the stuff that I always say at the end of these videos, but I just really hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your support, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. Sorry, I just had to close the door. My name's Adanna. I'm 24 years old and I'm an artist. I mostly do painting and drawing, but I also really like to paint my face, obviously, and I really had fun doing the zombie look. That was a trial and error, to say the least, but it turned out pretty much the way I hoped it to turn out, and that's pretty much how almost all my artwork goes. But yeah, I haven't really been a makeup person really until I was like 19, 20, and then all of a sudden I was like, wait, makeup isn't just about looking pretty, because I don't care about that. So let's do something else to make it actually enjoyable, which is making it art, which is what I like to do since I was like, it's what I've been doing since I was like 7. So it's a lifelong thing for me. And makeup just kind of blended right into it. So that's just kind of how I just kept, that's the only reason why I do it. Because if I had to do it for prettiness, I would just not wear makeup. I really don't care about that. But,
yeah, it's more of like an art thing.
Yeah.
Your looks are super cool too. I love how you edit your photos. They're so like, you know, grainy and grungy, which is like my favorite thing ever.
Literally, I know. I love all types of grainy. That's why I really liked your videos and your pictures and everything, because you really touched that aesthetic that I really liked, which is kind of like the faded, but like muted, faded, dark, somber, but still colorful.
Yeah.
Like, you know, everything in all in one. Grainy, old, and new. It's literally everything. So that's kind of what I like to do with my artwork.
I didn't know that you were like a painter first. That's really cool.
Yeah, I mostly do paintings. I actually had my iPad out here because I was like, oh, if it was one of those things, if one of those things to edit out, that's fine. But I would just show some of my drawings. But that sounds like really stupid.
No, not at all. If you want to share some of them, you should totally show them.
I haven't been able to draw that much. I'm working on like starting this 36 by 36 inch painting for my uncle. It's like he commissioned me to paint his mother, who passed a few years ago. So I was like, oh, I would love to. So I just finally got the canvas and the custom framing done. And now I have to actually start painting, which is, it's oil. So I've only done oil like 3 times. And it worked out. I'm pretty good at starting new things like that. So like I just tried it out, and then I was like, okay, I got it. It's like watercolor. Okay. So it's really fun, and he really wanted it to look. He's like, oh, I want it to look nice. He's like Nigerian, so he's just like, it has to look beautiful. I have to be able to show it to everybody. I was like, okay. I think I can do that. So that's basically what I've been preparing for. That's literally what I've been envisioning since I was a kid. It's just draw for people, paint for people. That's literally what you like, and that's what he's bringing to me. So I'm really excited about that and doing my makeup. And I'm really excited that people have been liking my makeup, because I really don't think people like my makeup. I have to tell myself, people like your makeup, and I'm just like, okay.
No, well, I love your makeup personally, but people, when they see it, I'm sure everyone who's watching this video is going to go check you out, and they're going to love your makeup because it's so cool. And it's not, you know, there's so many people who do their makeup, you know, like you said, just to kind of enhance their features and, you know, get that pretty look, but when you turn your face into like a different art piece every day, that's like on a different level. I feel like anybody can do their makeup just to enhance their features, but it's like a whole new level of like art and creativity to do what you do, and it's so cool.
Thank you. Thank you.
Of course. I mean, it sounds like you need to hear it, but your makeup's really good.
I do. Like, I hear people, my sister tells me this all the time, and I still need to hear it. Like, I know it doesn't, so thanks. Thank you.
Of course.
I'm not going to cry, because I
Don't cry.
No, I'm not. But, like, it really means a lot to me. So, like, yeah.
Are you into Halloween? Have you always been?
I've always been into Halloween. I've never really participated in it, funny enough, because of my family. Like, we're very traditional Nigerian, like, very Catholic. So, like, only with my dad. He would take us out to, like, trick-or-treating a couple times. But I never really went trick-or-treating that much, except for when my younger sister was born, I would go with her. But even then, that was like once or twice, you know.
Yeah.
My mom afraid of Halloween, doesn't with it at all. Took down the Halloween tape I put on my door. Like, please don't do this again. So,
oh no.
Yeah, so I try to keep basically this pretty. She's like trying. She's trying to get into it. She's trying to be okay with it, but she's very scared, and I understand. I don't blame her. Halloween's scary, and it's supposed to be.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you like scary movies?
Yes.
Okay, what's your favorite scary movie, or maybe one you've seen this year that you liked?
Well, I don't really watch scary movies that often because I'm a scaredy cat, but I'm not good with remembering the movie names, but like I like things that like are thrillers, anything that kind of gets me kind of freaked out, but like things that seem real but not real. Like I liked something like Hush. It's not really a horror movie, but it's creepy.
Yeah.
I really like that. Anything like Train to Busan was really good. So I think it's a Korean movie, I believe, about zombies. That was amazing. I watched it on like a little screen, like screen share with my friend. It was really poor quality, but it was like the best movie ever. And I was like, this is horrifying and amazing. I'm
gonna have to add that one to my list too.
Busan, that one's really good. It's not in English at all, so but that's part of the greatness. It's great that it's not in English because I wouldn't really want to hear it in English. I mean, I think once you hear it, it's like anime. Once you hear it subbed, you don't really want to hear it dubbed. You know what I mean? So
yeah.
It's like, yeah. I don't know if that sounds weird, but yeah. That's a really good movie. And I don't know, just anything that's creepy, not too fucked up, please. Like, come on. like I don't know. I don't know what my limit is because I can. If you tell me to watch it, I'll probably watch it and I'll tell you if I like it or not. As long as the plot's good, you know, like
yeah,
stuff like that. I like it if it's scary. It's good if it's scary because it's real.
Yeah. Okay, do you have a favorite Halloween candy or just candy in general? Because you said you didn't do trick-or-treating too much, right?
I've been craving candy corn.
Really?
Yeah, I don't know why. I just really like candy corn. I'm not really much of a chocolate eater. I mean, I'll eat it if I crave it. Like lately I've been eating like sea salt, like caramel chocolates and stuff, but I don't really eat chocolate like that. But yeah, I've been craving things like candy corn and just like lollipops and anything gummies.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I feel like you either love candy corn or you hate it. There's like no middle.
Yeah. I'm tired of people. I just want peace. I just want peace amongst the candy corn because it's not that deep.
Well, thank you for collabing with me. It was super fun. Your look turned out like super amazing. When you sent it to me, I'm like, how am I supposed to do a look next to this one? Like, the video should be your look.
Stop. Do you even see your little face? Like, stop. Okay, anyway.
No, yours is so good. Like,
thank you.
I could talk about it all day, but I'm super excited that you even wanted to collab with me on this, and I hope we do stuff in the future. And, thank you.
Thank you. When I saw your email, I was like, I first ignored it, and I was like, anyway, I don't know who that is. I came back and I was like, Ashley. Wait, is this Atlee? Is this Atlee? you're very talented, and I genuinely love your style and your art aesthetic. Literally, it's a huge inspiration to me.
Oh, thank you so much.
Thank you. So
you're so nice.
You're so nice.
This has been a great FaceTime call. I just feel so good now.
Thank you. You should feel. I hope some people feel good after I talk to them, because I don't feel good. I want you to feel good. I feel already really good after talking. So
I'm glad. You're like a little light of my day for today.
This is a weird year. I never hear people saying that about me, but all of a sudden this year, people are saying, "You're so bubbly. You're so happy. You're so."
You are.
Am I the same person that you guys are all talking about? Like,
yes. I've been smiling this whole time because you're just so bubbly and fun to talk to.
I thought you were just like...
No.
No, let me stop. Yeah, thank you so much. It means a lot.
Of course. All right, well, I hope you have a good rest of your day, and
thank you.
I'll talk to you later.
All right.
Bye.
Bye.